Hi, I'm Vanessa Nielsen, and I've had the great pleasure of designing this home with Leah.
Hi, I'm Leah, and welcome to 10104 Crescent Court in the Monte Vista foothills. We would love to give you a tour of this old world estate home.
Come on in. So now step down into this living room, which is cozy yet so spacious, and this room doubles as a great room.
We've done so much entertaining in this home. We've had weddings, concerts, and so many special occasions. The family kitchen has a fireplace and huge center island with cooktop and space to seat up to 7 guests for informal dining. There's a separate butler's pantry with sink, second refrigerator, and tons of storage and more space for food preparation. Also part of the family kitchen is the adjacent solarium that looks out to the beautiful shade garden with views of the 40-foot trees above. There's a spacious coat room that could also double as a playroom with a big picture window to the front yard. Above the garage is the game room and family theater with its own separate entrance to the outside, so kids can entertain their friends up here. The second floor has 4 bedrooms and 3 baths. We're on a beautiful tree-lined street, just a few houses away from Varian Park, where there is a kids' activity park, tennis courts, jogging, and biking.
Hi, I'm Lynn Armenio and I'm with Compass. I am fortunate enough to have the listing on this beautiful home, and if you'd like to see it up close and personal, give me a call. I'm happy to give you a tour.